It definitely fits my style, and one thing that I'm very proud about is that Metro is an Indian brand. Because nowadays we have so many malls. We are in Palladium. There's so many malls, so many international brands are down here. So everyone has money, they'll go and shop at an international brand or whatever. But I'm very proud to say that Metro is an Indian brand, and these shoes, I think they can compete with any global brand now.
Bata blue chappals and black school shoes. That's all.
Yeah, those same school shoes would be party shoes. And if you're going to somebody's wedding, you'll wear the same. It was just two pairs of shoes, man. एक वो PT shoes और एक वो black वाले.
नंगे पैर भी चलते थे.
Literally, I'm racing in a motocross race, so I mean that's just literal. But otherwise, I just think surviving in Bombay and having just if you see just different individualities in this kind of a profession and believing in what kind of roles like Varun and Kalki are choosing and the kind of roads that we've chosen, I think it's a race, man, because it's very competitive out there. And to follow your passion, sometimes they're not the most logical decisions. They're not commercially viable, they're not financially viable. But at the end of the day, when you're doing something, you want to be happy about it more than anything else. And that is a race to actually follow what you believe in.
I remember वो जूते होते थे ना लाइट्स के साथ, मतलब आप चलते थे वो लाइट आता था नीचे, वो ऐसा जूता था मेरे पास एक, और एक दूसरा वाला होता था बचपन में जो रोलर ब्लेड्स लगे हुए थे. There are shoes also, but you can skate also.
तेरा बचपन मेरा बचपन बहुत अलग है.
पर मैं एक थे ऐसे भी जूते थे मेरे पास. I actually at one time probably I'll have like 25-30 because as soon as they're getting it, I keep giving them or whatever to people or whatever.
He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Singer, you got to learn.
I give also, yeah, but I have a problem really. That's 50s.
I don't have a problem. Sorry, you can scratch that out. I do not have a problem. I have definitely got a problem with shoes. I mean, I have too many shoes. I think I need to start seeing somebody about this.
Give us a number.
No such
I think it's around 50 shoes.
50 pairs.
That's not too much.
That's not too much.
Not too much. I feel like that's a
I know.
lot.
I'd like now ask the boy. Ask him.
How many pairs of shoes do you have, Vijay?
No, tell
And
us.
I was feeling so guilty.
Please tell.
50 is not too much for a girl at all. We have styles and look how many pairs.
How many
You
pairs?
have, Mrs. No. Now say.
I told you.
Say. They want to know. That's a
I've got
question. It's a legend.
At least 200 pairs.
Wow.
Shocking.
I collect sneakers.
They're all yours.
I collect like these buttons. Yeah, मेरे को एक्चुअली जो मेरा लाइफस्टाइल है बहुत ही आउटडोर एडवेंचरस किस्म का और बाइकर, तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है कि मैं कंफर्टेबल जूता पहनूं जो स्टाइलिश भी हो और रिलायबल भी हो, और हर जो चीज़ मैं करना चाहता हूँ, अगर मेरे को पार्टी में जाना है, मुझे इवेंट पे आना है, मुझे बाइक चलाना है, सब में यूज़ हो. और ये जो जूता मैंने लिया है, चूज़ किया है मेट्रो की लाइन में से, आई थिंक इट्स प्रीटी एप्ट फॉर, it's an extension of my personality, you know, my style.
I just associate myself with something which I think is new and exciting, and anything, a brand which is also reliable and that you've heard a lot about. So, you know, Metro is a brand that we've heard of from childhood. It's a brand that's been around for a very long time. And now they're trying to revamp and become more, you know, sort of trendy. And I think they've done a really great job with some of these shoes.
Definitely, I think Metro, क्योंकि एक तो इंडियन ब्रांड है, इतने सालों से है, तो उसका ब्रांड वैल्यू बहुत होता है, ट्रस्ट बहुत होता है लोगों के मन में इसके लिए. एंड डेफिनेटली बहुत स्टर्डी और अच्छे शूज़ है. आप हम तीनों के जूते देखेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा डिफरेंट.
कल्कि के सबसे स्टर्डी है.
बेस्ट कल्कि के तो बेस्ट जूते हैं, शायद हम दोनों पहन लेते, हमें ऑफर किए गए होते तो, पर नहीं मिले हम लोग को. पर आई थिंक
हमारी पर्सनालिटी काफी चाहती है.
हाँ.